Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, dear children, once again we will continue the chapter shapes and angle. In the previous classes, children, you have learnt about the concept of angle. You know what is an angle? When two different rays meet at a common end point, they form an angle. So, here is an angle in front of you. And you have already learnt about the different parts of an angle. So, look at this angle and can you tell me what is the vertex of this angle? When two rays meet at a common end point, that point is called as vertex. So, O is the vertex in this figure. Now, two rays which are making this angle, they are called as the arms of angle. So, what are the arms of this angle? Ray OA and OB are the arms of this angle. And also know how to write the name of an angle. While naming an angle, we can start from any one of the points on one of the arms. So, if you want to write the name of this angle, you can start from point A or from point B. So, the name of this angle is AOB or BOA. So, children, you have already learned these concepts in the previous classes. Now, today you will learn how to write the name of all the angles in a given figure. Now, children, our first question is, how many angles are formed in each of the figures given below? Name all the angles. Now, look at this figure, children. Basically, look at the interior part of this figure, children, and tell me how many angles are there. Now, children, you know, when two rays are meeting at a common end point, they form an angle. But in this figure, you will see three different rays, OA, OB, and OC. They are meeting at a common end point, and that point is O. So, at the point O, these three rays are making more than one angle. So, first of all, one by one, we will mark all those angles and then we will write their names. So, look for the first angle. Now, this is the first angle. This angle is made by the ray OB and ray OC. Now, this is our second angle. It is made by the ray OA and OB. Now, if you will join these two smaller angles, you will get a bigger angle, and that bigger angle is this angle. So, there is one more angle in this figure, children, and it is made by the ray OA and OC. So, there are three angles in this figure. So, we will write this figure has three angles. Now, we will write the name of all those three angles. Now, children, we will write the name of this angle. First of all, look at this angle. This angle is made by the ray OB and ray OC. So, and you also know how to write the name of the angle. While writing the name of any angle, we start from any one of the points on one of the arms. So, I am starting on these two arms. You will see point B and C are marked here. So, I am starting from this point. So, first we will write this point from this arm OB. Then we will write the vertex. Vertex is O. And now we will write the second point from the second arm. This is C. And you will make a symbol of angle. So, the name of this angle is BOC. Or you can write the name of this angle in another way. If you will start from C, then write this letter C, then write the vertex O, and then write the another point from the second arm. That point is B. So, in this way, children, the name of this angle is BOC, or you can write COB. Now, we will write the name of second angle. Look. We will write, this is our second angle. This smaller angle is our second angle. It is made by the arms OA and OB. So, on these two arms, we are having 2 points A and B. Either you can start from point A or you can start from the point B. So, while naming this angle, I am starting from the point A. So we will start. We will write point A, then O vertex, and then we will write the point on the another arm, that is B. So the name of this smaller angle is AOB, and this is the symbol of angle. Or in another way, you can write the name of this angle as, if you will start from this point B, then write vertex O, and then one more point from the second arm, that is A. So in this way, the name of this angle is AOB or BOA. Now we will write the name of third angle. This is our third angle, this bigger angle. And if you will join these two smaller angles, you will get this bigger angle. Now we will write the name of this bigger angle. This angle is made by the two rays OA and OC. So we will write the name of this angle now. We are starting from the point A, then write vertex O, and the point on the second arm is C. So the name of this angle is AOC. Or if you are starting from this point, then you will write letter C, first C, then write vertex O, and then the point on the second arm is A. So in this way, children, the name of this bigger angle is AOC or COA. So this was our first part, children. Now look at the second part. Now children, look at the part B. Here this figure is given to you. In this figure, children, you will observe four different rays, OP, OS, OT and OQ. They are meeting at a common point, and that point is O. So these four rays are making different angles at this point. So first of all, we will count how many angles are there, and one by one we will write their names. So look, this is our first angle. It is made by the two rays OP and OS. Now second angle, this is our second angle. Rays OS and OT are making this angle. Now look for the third angle. This is our third angle. Rays OT and OQ, they are making this angle. Now children, we have marked three angles in this figure. Now look for the fourth angle. If you will join this angle and this angle, if you will join these two smaller angles, you will see, you will get one bigger angle. So this is our fourth angle. Now in the same way, children, if you will join these two smaller angles, then you will get one more bigger angle. So this is our fifth angle. Now children, if you will join these three smaller angles, then you will get one more bigger angle. And this is our sixth angle. So this figure has 6 angles. This figure has 6 angles, and now we will write the name of all those 6 angles. Now children, look, first of all we will write the name of this angle. This angle is made by the two rays OP and OS. Now first, you know why naming any angle, we start from any one of the point on one of the arms. So I am starting from this point P. So P, write O vertex, and then point on the second arm, that is O. So the name of this angle is POS. The same angle can be named as SOP. You can write point S first of all, then write vertex, and then point on the second arm. Now we will write the name of this second angle. It is made by the arms OS and OT. Or you can say two rays OS and OT are making this angle. So either you can start from the point S, or you can start from the point T. So I am starting from the point S. S, point on one arm, then vertex, and then point on the second arm, SOT. Or the same angle can be named as POS. S. Now children, we will write the name of this third angle. This is our third angle. It is made by the two different rays OT and OQ. So either you can start writing the name of this angle from the point T or from the point Q. So I am starting from point T. T, then vertex O, and then point on the second arm, that is Q. So the name of this angle is TOQ, or you can write QOT also. First write this point on the first arm, then vertex, and then point on the second arm. Now children, we will write the name of fourth angle, and this is our fourth angle. This is our fourth angle. Two different rays OP and OT are making this angle. These two rays. So we will start naming this angle from the point P. P, then vertex O, and we point on the second arm, that is T. So the name of this angle will be PO, P, or if you are starting from the point T, then you can write T, O, P is the name of this angle. Now look for the fifth angle. This is our fifth angle, children. It is made by two different rays, OS and OQ. OS, two rays, OS and OQ are making this angle. So this angle, either we will start naming this angle from the point S, or we can start from the point Q. So first I am starting from the point S. So S, then vertex O, and then point on the second arm, that is Q. The name of this angle is SOQ, or if you are starting from this point, then first write letter Q, then vertex O, and then point on the second arm, that is S. So the name of this fifth angle is SOQ or QOS. Now we will write the name of sixth angle. This is our sixth angle, children. It is made by two different rays, OP and OQ. So either naming this angle, you can start from the point P or you can start from the Q. I am starting from P. So write the point P, then vertex O, and then point on second arm, that is Q. So the name of this angle is POQ, or if you are starting from point Q, QOP will be the name of this angle. So in this way, children, this figure has 6 angles, and we have written all the name of 6 angles here. Now children, in this way, I hope you have understood how to write the name of all angles in a given figure. Thank you and have a nice day.